3.
Set down the cassette tape for later viewing.
We are the Rainforest Brothers.
Rainforest Brothers. Oh, give me your stick. Today's topic is cats.
Oh, cats?
Oh, cats smell furry.
I saw this cat. He was on the street. And then I ran him over with my car.
Oi, oi, brother. Brother Rainforest. Oh, my arms are bleeding with stick man.
My arms are tentacles. Ooh.
They look like testicles to me.
I rub my testicles with my tentacles.
Oh. My kitty is furry and is named Hans. Hans is my kitchen friend. Hans' name is Hans. He goes, meow! Meow! Oh, my hat fell off. Continue on the topic.
Oh, the cats. I have 2 cats. 1 tentacle, 2 tentacle. 2 cats.
My hat.
My hat. Both my cats are upstairs. Should I go get one?
Oh, go get one, brother. I'll continue. Don't touch my stick again. I'll play the video when you're gone. This is a VCR player. My hat keeps falling off. Gotta play fishing. Oh, let's see if I can do this. Oh, this here VCR player. My hand is stuck in the player, brother. My hand. My hand. Brother Rainforest. Brother Rainforest, I caught upon the cat. The cat of Brother Rainforest. Brother Rainforest, I need a cat. Oh, brother. Brother. Ooh. Brother, I got my hand stuck in the VCR again. Ooh, it's the furry testicle.
This is my kitty. Rainforest kitty.
Let's put tape on it. Oh, my hair came out. My hair came out, Victoria.
Victory!
Let me get the tape again. Oh, damn, it's stuck again. Pull it, brother. Pull my... The Rainforest man is coming. Hey.
Rainforest.
My cat has 8 legs. I wish it had 3 and it was blind, so I can run into walls and I can laugh. This smells like your balls.
Oh, that smells like my balls.
We should light the torch of death.
The torch of death.
I'm on fire! I'm on fire! The torch of death!
Oh, where's my hat? Oh, he's sleeping. Get the Look at me. I'm glowing in the eyes.
Give me that torch of death.
Oh, Brother Smith. The Rainforest gods won't like you. What do you think here?
That's my tentacles.
Oh, we went a bit off topic there, I believe.
I found a backpack. Let's look in the backpack. Backpack.
I am from the east coast. My name is Tentacles.
Three.
My hat. Rainforest Brothers.
Rainforest brothers.
Rainforest Brothers.
Tentacles.
The Rainforest.
Did you bring your VCR?
Oh, never leave home without this baby. Fuck. I'm stuck again. It's not funny, Rainforest brother. I can feel the internals.
Every time you get your hand stuck in that thing, it's hilarious.
Oh, wanna know what else is hilarious?
What's that?
Bitch. Rainforest brother. Shall we explore the universe?
The universe.
Swiss sour mix.
Cock.
Make me edit more, you motherfucker. Your tentacles are furry like my ass hair.
Ass hair tastes good.
How the fuck did my hand get out of there? I don't even remember. Oh, brother, you fucking broke my VCR. Oh. I got a big one.
I don't think I'm supposed to break that.
Oh. VCR teach you lesson. It tastes like sauerkraut and shit. The salamanders wouldn't appreciate you laughing. The salamanders see all. As long as the silverfish crawl in your anus, they will be there forever, young brother.
You touch my tra-la-la. My ding-ding-dong. Oh, my tentacle's stuck. Good thing it's slippery.
Volleyball. Oh, my VCR. Stop touching it, brother. This is all I have. I'm gonna sell this on eBay and get over it. You fucking bent it. You bent my VCR.
No! Now we don't get $1 million on eBay.
Now I won't be able to sell this and charge a weird pricing shipping. Like $50 per pound.
Guess what I got today? Guess.
Snails.
No, you'll see what I got today. I got my handicap parking permit. I put that in my windshield.
Oh, my head.
Give me back my permit, you're gonna break it. Then I won't be able to steal the handicapped people's spots.
Huh? What's this? I have a mustache. Holy caramba, Schreiber! Oh, give me some Lishkumakan biscuits.
Where's Tungama?
I think he's getting me a hakapachaya. Oh, my hat. I am transforming! Fucking fogging mask. Where's the fan in this motherfucker? Oh, a VCR. I can sell this on eBay. Oh, fuck, it's bent.
I will bend it back into shape. Did that fix it?
I do not know. We should plug it in and see if it breaks the videotape by making this sound.
Look, it's fixed.
Who the fuck is gonna believe that thick? Huh?
I fixed it
What is this?
with my hammer tentacle. You know what you did? My favorite video is stuck in here.
That's Sammy,
My favorite video.
VCR. Rainforest, brother. Where's the stick of death?
I shall go find it, but we will leave that for another episode.
Motherfucker.
Ah.
Shit, you know. It's hard in Africa.
Oh, hotter than Africa in here. Where's the off button on this thing?